Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you the 23 SAT tips and tricks you must use. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. Tip 21. Bubble at the end. If you have trouble managing time on the SAT, pay close attention to these advice. In order to avoid wasting too much time, skip any questions you are having problems answering and move on. When you take too long on difficult questions, you risk missing out on easy points that would otherwise be available to you. Tip 22. Double-check your answers. Filling out all of your answers towards the conclusion of the section is an excellent approach to save a few minutes of time. As you go along, circle your answers on your test booklet. Once the section is through, go back and bubble them in. By following this advice, you can avoid switching back and forth between your test booklet and answer sheet, which is ineffective and increases the amount of time it takes you to answer each question. Tip 23. Stay calm. Above all, remain calm during the test. Don't let a question that you don't understand frighten you. Simply keep moving. Initially, you might have to skip certain questions, but that's okay. There is no harm in answering the questions out of sequence, even though there is a lot of pressure to complete each portion in a timely manner. Try to approach each section with a fresh perspective and refrain from dwelling on any possible errors you may have made earlier in the test. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.